Welcome student. Today we are going to learn degree of comparison of adjective. In short, degrees. Okay. But what is adjectives? Adjectives means describing words. Okay. In Marathi, वर्णन करणारे शब्द. Now I have drew a wave here, a girl. Now you pause the video and write 7 describing word or adjective for the word girl. Look at these 7 words. Beautiful girl, pretty girl, smart girl, kind girl, hard working girl, good girl, bad girl. Okay, so these are the adjectives. These are the describing words. Look at this web. Now pause the video and write 4 words, describing words for the word friend. Now look at this table. Okay, look at the first column. What are these words? Adjectives, वर्णन करणारे शब्द, strong, tall, smart. As we just learned this, as we just knew that. Okay, so these words are in base form or simple form. Okay, so this form is called positive degree. These adjectives are in simple form, base form, मूल रूप. Okay, first form. So this form, simple form, is called positive degree. Strong, tall, smart, high, kind, clever. So these words, you know that. Okay, so this is the first degree and it is called positive degree. Now look at the second column. In this column, observe these 2 columns. Observe these words. What difference do you see? Strong, stronger, tall, taller, smart, smarter. What difference do you see here? Yes, ER. Here is the ER. Means it is a base form or simple form, and here in this form ER, the word ER or suffix ER is added, right? Suffix means added at the end of the word. Okay, ER. So it is little bit higher degree. Okay, and this degree, higher degree, is called comparative degree. Comparative degree. Okay, second degree. Now look at the third degree. Now observe this word: strong, strong, stronger, strongest, tall, taller, tallest, smart, smarter, smartest. What difference do you see here? Yes, EST. Now EST is added. Okay, in this third column, the base word EST is added at the base word or simple form. Okay, and it is a highest degree. Okay, and the highest degree or the third degree, that is highest degree, is called superlative degree. Okay, now look at this table also, second type table. Now look at the positive degree, adjective in positive degree: dangerous and interesting. Okay, now look at the comparative degree, adjective in comparative degree. What difference do you see here? Yes, more. The word more is added. Now in the first table we learned that we add ER in the comparative degree. Okay, but here we have added the word more, and in the third column the word most. Danger, more dangerous, most dangerous. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Now the question is that why we have added these words? The answer is because of the syllable. Now what is syllable? Syllable means what? So how many alphabets in English? 26. Among the 26 letters, how many vowels are there? 5. Can you tell me? A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 are the vowels. Okay, so these vowels, when we pronounce the vowels. The vowels are syllables. That vowel sounds is called syllable. Now look at the vowels. How many vowels are there? 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 vowels are there. Means this word has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vowels or 3 vowel sound. See, da, j, ras, then, j, ras. Means 3 sounds are there. 3 syllables are there. So the rule is that when there are more than 2 syllables in the word, when there is a more than 2 syllable, so at that time we add more and most before the adjective. Okay, now when the syllable is 1 or 2, at that time we add er. For example, kinder, small, smaller. Okay, or what that, clever, cleverer. Okay, strong, stronger. Or so there is only one syllable. Huge or smart, so there is only one syllable, okay. So when there is a one syllable, at the time we use er and est. But when there is a more syllable in the word or in the adjective, at the time we use the word more and most. Okay, some more example of such type of adjectives. Such type of means more than 2 syllable. Such words are difficult, d, e, fee, curd. Okay, so 3 syllables are there. So more difficult, most difficult. Then colorful, k, a, l, a, fu, and l means 3 syllable, k, l, full. Okay, so more than 2 syllable, it means the comparative degree is colorful, more colorful, and most colorful. Okay, now we are going to learn uses of this degree, because that is very important. Okay, so first of all, positive degree. What are the uses of positive degree? To describe, वर्णन करण्यासाठी, to describe people, to describe city, villages, to describe anything. Okay, we use positive degree. For example, Anand is tall student. Okay, positive degree. Gauri is talkative girl. Itesh is honest boy. Vidyamandi is popular school. Kankholi is a green city. Okay, in this look at this adjective. Okay, so this is the positive degree. Okay, now you write 5 sentences using positive degree. Now look at the second degree, higher degree, that is a comparative degree. Okay, look at the use. Why you use comparative degree? To compare two people, to compare two things, to compare two cities, to villages, to boys, to girls, to women, to men, two things, to compare two things. Okay, and the same quality. Now see the example. Omkar and Yash. Omkar is healthier than Yash. Now the quality is smart. Maithili is smarter than Divya. Okay, health, smarter. Now simple. Science is simpler than maths. Okay, now take some different example using more. Okay, because the syllable has more than 2 syllable. The word has more than 2 syllable. Okay, maths is more difficult than science. Okay, and look at this. My mom is more beautiful than my aunt. Okay, now we have compared two people here, two subject here. Okay, and two people here again. Okay, by using this comparative degree. Now you pause the video and write 5 sentences using comparative degree. Okay, now look at the use of superlative degree. Superlative degree, highest degree, third degree, highest degree. Okay, now what is the use of superlative degree? To compare one with more than two nouns. Means one person is compared with many people. One country is compared with many countries. One village is compared with many villages. One animal is compared with all animals. One bird is compared with all birds. One subject is compared with all subjects. So one is compared with many. Okay? So let's see the examples. America is the richest country. Rich. Okay? America is the richest country in the world. So America is compared with many countries in the world. Okay. Anand is the tallest. Tall. The quality is tall. Anand is the tallest student in 8A. So in 8A class there are many students, but Anand is the tallest student. Okay. So it is a superlative degree, highest degree. And look at the different example also. More we use colorful. Colorful, know that how many syllable are there? 1, 2 and 3 syllable. More than 2 syllable, and that's why we use most here. Okay, more colorful, most colorful, because of 3 syllable. Okay, so look at the example. Peacock is the most colorful bird. Means there are many birds, but peacock is the most beautiful bird. Number 1, highest degree. Okay. Now what you are going to do? You, by using the superlative degree, you write 5 sentences. Okay. Thank you very much.